Hi guys, in today's video we're going to be having a look at this Packard Bell Pulsar C333. Now, it seems in okay condition, apart from it is mega dusty, as you can see down there. And the manufacturer of this unit, Packard Bell, has been very generous with us all them years ago, and has given us a free stick of 128 megs of RAM. Which is pretty nice, and that's in perfect condition, so a bit of an antique really. And it's already got both its RAM slots are taken up. Everything seems okay, and I am going to power this up just to see if there's any power supply issues, any motherboard issues, and if I do get into the BIOS, then I can just, well, we can obviously see if it throws any errors at us in there. So yeah, I mean, that all sounds good, and we can have a look at the hardware in there as well. So I'll just power this machine on now and see if it works. Alright, all the wires are in place, so I'll just power it on and see if it works. I'm going to go F2 to get to the BIOS. Is it going to do it? I suppose you've got to remember also that this machine hasn't been powered on in years. Oh, come on! Right. Is it going to work? Let's try something. I'll leave it for a little while now. There's a strange grinding noise coming from in there. Don't know what that is. That was the floppy drive. It's got some sort of error in the BIOS. This actually protects it this time, let's see. What is it doing? It's doing something. This is making a hell of a lot of noise. finally in the BIOS. So it thinks it's 1990, but it's obviously not. And if I go back, yeah, there's something wrong with the BIOS battery, because it thinks it's 1 minute past midnight, which probably means it's only been counting the seconds since it's been on. Looks like it's already set to boot from like a CD-ROM or removable devices, probably floppy. Yeah, I think that looks okay. 256 megs of RAM, 2 slots of 128 megs. That's quite cool. Unattended start. Well, that's just about it really, for the BIOS anyway. So I mean the machine actually seems to be running quite smoothly if I actually just bring the camera down a little. As you can hear that distinct humming sound coming from the fan. All seems to be well in there. So I'm just going to power it off, and I'll see you all in part 2 of this video, which I'll probably upload today, because I'm probably going to do it just after this, so yeah. So that's just about it really. I'll see you all in the next video. Stay tuned for more, and yeah, that's about it. So yeah, okay, thanks for watching guys, and like I say, subscribe for more videos like this. In the next video obviously I'll be installing 98 on this, and it's going to be tricky though, because I need to obviously put the Windows 98 disk image on some floppy disks, and then relabel them for the millionth time, so yeah. Anyway, I'll see you all in the next video. Thank you very much for watching, and